Welcome to Juicy Cars. My name is Eric and today we are going for a POV test drive in this 2025 BMW X2 M35i. And as always, we do have a full review as well as this POV test drive. So if you want to see that, just click top right hand corner or at the end of this video. With that being said, I'm not going to comment too much. This is for you to get your own opinion and thoughts and sounds of the X2 35i. What's up, Jesse? There you go. Keep it clean. And let's start her up. Boom. Right away, let's put it in sport mode, which we already are. Perfect. Traction control, sport. Drive and sport shifting. Because we will start with a wonderful launch control. It's going to give her some tire scrubbing a little bit. And off we go. And let's shift into manual shifting. Our big old paddles here. Most of these sounds, by the way, are pumped in. I'm going to give you a comparison here in a second. I'm just going to hit the iconic sounds button and then you'll hear the difference. So I'll demonstrate now. We're just gonna keep her in a lower gear and just gonna accelerate, and then I'm gonna switch it on and off once we hit this straighter part here. I think a very noticeable difference, and all the pops, bangs, and everything you might hear that you think is coming from the exhaust, it's all speakers. Once you turn it off, you have none of that. But we're gonna keep it on because, well, it just makes it sound a little more fun, even if it's not super convincing. And while we're stuck behind another car, let's do some daily driving here. So, go back to our drive modes, which unfortunately are this touchscreen based mode. Personal, gonna make sure we're in the correct mode. Yep, so now it's automatic, and it's a comfy daily. I also have an eco mode if you like that, which is just gonna make your pedals very lethargic, let's call it like that. But hey, I guess if you're into hypermodeling, this will be useful. I just prefer to do my hypermodeling manually by just using the gas less. But let's go back to sport. Yes. Your gauge cluster is also super customizable, so not only can you change kind of the look of it, now not in M mode, but in other ones you kind of can change the layout, but you can have that, you can have fuel economy, the map, whatever you want. Let's go for map, why not? And let's do some more corners. Oh, we can go G-meter too. That'll be funner in the corners. It's going to give some room to the car up ahead. Some wiggles. Got to make sure though to give the suspension enough time to move according to our movements, because it's not the hardest suspension. Anyhow, that shall conclude today's POV test drive. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe, and check out our full review of this 2025 BMW X2 M35i. Thank you so much for watching, and well, we'll see you next one. Bye.